May 13th, 2022, US30 post-market analysis. So didn't work out today. Got stopped out, and prices kind of just hovered around in this range since. So this was actually a re-entry. My initial entry was down here with my stop somewhere around here. I think it was around 32 150 maybe. Let me see. Let me see. My stop was right above here. I know that. And then I got back in, and then also I took the L on the re-entry as well. So let's see. Yeah, 32,050 more or less was my first set of stops. So right around here, 32,050, right around here was my first set of stops. I got stopped out. Price came back. Looked like it was going to, here, once I got into this area here, looked like it might, now push back down again. At that time, got back in on a re-entry, got stopped out, and didn't get back in. I did get back in here. I'm gonna leave one small little order open over the weekend, which I never do, because if it gaps up or gaps down, whatever, you never know what's gonna happen. But I'm gonna go ahead and leave that entry open over the weekend and see what happens Sunday. Maybe get a little quick action first thing Sunday. If not, whatever, it's okay. So with that, I still think. Let's see how we're closing on the weekly now. So on the weekly, we close with a pretty exhausted candle as far as the bearish momentum goes. On the monthly time frame here, obviously we still got a good ways left. We got 18 days left, but still looking like it might be kind of running out of momentum a little bit, at least at the time being. So we'll see. Price, most likely is going to push back up, and then we'll see if it pushes back up and continues up, or it pushes back up and then makes a lower high and continues to push down, which I think might be the more likely scenario. So, with that being said, I'm going to keep looking for sell orders. Next week, at least for now, I think I'm going to still be looking for sell orders. We'll see where the next hours play out, starting off Sunday, going into London session on Monday and New York session on Monday. We'll see what there is coming up, and just get a quick glance here. Oops. So Monday, no major U.S. news. Nothing too major. We got sales data on Tuesday. No major U.S. news on Wednesday. No real major U.S. news on Thursday. Some, Philly home manufacturing index, existing home sales, unemployment claims. So moderate news. Nothing major. Not like FOMC week or anything like last week. So next week looks like it might be pretty smooth sailing, relatively speaking. So we'll just see if this bearish momentum maintains intact. We'll see, obviously if price respects any of these levels here, any of these zones, so on and so forth, and retest previous structure areas to see if I can find a good entry with, as always, stop above that structure area, and see if I can continue and get a big risk to reward. I mean, I took the L on the re-entry, but I mean, it was just too good to not try. I mean, it was 1 to 8 potentially. Not that it was going to go all the way down there. It did go in my direction a little bit. I could have, I could have let it ride out a little bit. I went 150 points in my direction at one point before it came all the way back and stopped me out. So could have maybe taken some profits, but I didn't. But nonetheless, I mean, to me, the opportunity was there. Good risk to reward. Stop, outside of structure. It broke through, ended up coming back, but now it's gone past again. So at this moment, it's not really clear what's going to happen, if it's going to keep going or potentially continue dropping down at this moment in time. So with that, I'm going to keep my eye on it and have a great weekend. I'm going to try to get some relaxation in, as well as do some back testing, a little bit of reading. But have a great weekend, and see you on Monday pre-NY session.